Alright, hi, I'm Kim Popovich with New Age Realty, and today at 9 High Ridge Lane, we're going to be filling in my pool. So, we called the town hall, and in the town of Sandwich, you do not need a permit to do this unless you have electrical work. So, we don't have any electrical, so we are all set for a free go to fill in the pool with no issues. And that's what we're going to start this morning. There it is. The pool is about halfway empty, and by tomorrow morning this will be 3/4 of the way empty. We're going to leave some water in the bottom so that when we put the fill in, it'll be packed down. Oh dear.
We're going to fill in this pool, ma'am?
Yes, this is Ted from Quality Craftmanship. He's the owner and operator. He's going to be driving the Bobcat today to fill in the pool. Alright, so now I've hired Teddy Benukowitz from Quality Craftsmanship in Harwich. He's fully licensed, fully insured, comp and liability, ready to go. He's going to show us how to get into the hydraulic Bobcat and show us what we need to do to get started. So here's the Bobcat, and here's Teddy.
First step, you're going to climb into the machine. You always make sure the machine is off and it's safe to climb into. You're going to put your feet in your hands. Always hold on, make sure you're secure. You climb in the machine. First thing you're going to do is pull down the pull-down bar, which is a safety feature, which secures everything, and you can't start the machine until you do this. Then you're going to turn the machine on.
Alright, so here is our first load of fill being dropped off. And they're having a hard time getting up in the neighborhood here. The hills are huge. But we are going to have the first load of 20 yards of fill dumped off as we speak. All right, here we have it. First load of 20 yards of fill. Okay, so here we don't really have great access to the yard, so Teddy actually has to dig a little road so that we can bring this Bobcat up into the backyard. So that's what he's doing right now. He's trying to move some dirt so we can actually have a good clear pathway right into the backyard, because this is very narrow and we had to take this chain link fence down, and then it's just a very narrow path back here into the pool area. So right now we are finishing up draining the pool, and that should be complete. We're going to leave a couple feet of water in the back so that it gets packed down and so that the dirt will be mostly settled. So that is where we're at. Alright, so we had a few issues with fitting the Bobcat up into the backyard, so we're having to take down a few more trees. Here he comes. All right, so this is the backyard where we are draining the pool. Probably drains about 5,000 gallons an hour. And the pool is about 20,000 gallons. So it's taken us a couple hours to get this pool all the way down. So we are starting at the shallow end of the pool, and we're not sure if we really wanted to fill in the pool. So we put a tarp down in case somebody wants to bring this pool back to life. So we put these tarps down, and Ted has started to fill the pool in at the shallow end. And then the rest of it is still draining. We still have frogs in there. We're not going to kill the frogs. We are going to drain it all the way down and then spread it out. So we've got about 2 bucketfuls in the pool right now, and the rest is being delivered. All right, so at this point we are covering the filter and the skimmer with the tarp in case somebody wants to come back and open this pool back up. So we've covered the main items that shouldn't get dirt in them. And we are still filling with our second load of 20 yards of fill. And it's slowly coming along. Okay, it has been a long day. And it is 6 o'clock at night, and we've been here since 9 a.m. And we are still filling this pool in. Here we go. So with the tarps, we covered the bottom drain, we covered the side skimmer, and we covered the shallow end in case somebody wants to dig this pool out and use it again. We're not going to damage the major pipes by getting sand in the filter. As you can see, we've got the headlights on the Bobcat, so these things work 24/7. Ted is still driving. Here he comes. Alright, so we are in my backyard where I once had a swimming pool, and we've done a little bit of work by filling it in, and you can see how different the yard looks. We went from just total full swimming pool to filling it in, and we've added some mulch, some plants, some cobblestones, and the project is not finished, but this is a look of the halfway mark. So here is the finished product of the pool, all filled in with plantings, some mulch, patio furniture, beach grass. Definitely an improvement from that swampy pool that we had.